Ready to unleash your coding masterpiece onto the world of collaborative development? Let's get your local project onto GitHub in under 2 minutes. First things first, navigate to your project's root directory, your terminal. This is where the magic begins. We're going to initialize a Git repository here by typing git init. This command transforms your project folder into a Git repository, tracking all changes you make. Think of it as setting the stage for your code's grand performance. Next, we need to tell Git which files to include in our initial commit. Use git add. This adds all the files in your current directory to the staging area. The staging area is where Git prepares for a commit, like gathering all your actors before the curtain rises. Now it's time to commit your changes. Type git commit m followed by a descriptive message in quotes. This message should summarize the changes you've made. For example, git commit m initial commit. A project files committing is like saving a snapshot of your project at a specific point in time. Head over to GitHub and create a new, empty repository. Copy the HTTPS or SSH URL of your newly created repository. This URL is how your local repository will know where to send your code. Think of it as the address to your code's new home. Back in your terminal, link your local repository to the remote repository on GitHub. Use the command git remote at origin followed by the URL you copied. This establishes a connection between your local project and your online repository. Finally, push your local commits to GitHub with git push u origin main. This uploads your code to the remote repository on GitHub. The U flag sets up tracking, so you only need to use git push in the future. Prepare for liftoff. Your code is going live. Congratulations, your project is now on GitHub. Share it with the world, collaborate with other developers, and continue building awesome things. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more coding tutorials.